everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today I'm gonna show us DIY boxer short for a juvenile. Let's get started. Here are the things needed. I have my fabric here, a bias that I'm gonna use to turn the hem of the shorts because it's gonna be a short for a young boy. Then elastic, a 1 inch wide elastic with my tape. The measurement I'm going to use is hips 34, length 12, and the lap is 21. Mind you, this fabric is folded into 4. Can you see? This is it. I just folded it into 2 like this. Then like this again. Here is it. Now I'm simply going to remove 4 inches for the elastic, the waistband. You can remove less than that, but I'm using 4 because I'm going to fold it like this. So at the end of the day, when I remove sewing allowance from here, maybe I'll have something like 3 inches left there, and you know that the elastic is a little bit wide, so I think 4 inches is okay for that. Then I will mark the same 4 inch here, then just connect the lines together like this. Then I'm going to take the length of the shorts. Remember, I'm still going to fold here down like this. So it means this is my new waist now. So I'll start the measurement of the length of the short from there. I have 12 inches. So I'm going to add 1 more inch to make it 13 inches. Be on the safer side, always measure from 2 or 3 places. First at the middle, second at both ends, so you can have an accurate result. You can see I use my hand to draw this initially, but I'm not getting the right thing. This is 13, it's supposed to be here. Then I'll still fold here like this and get the other part. 13. Okay, this is accurate, so just connect them together. Then the next thing is to get my crouch depth. To get my crouch, I'm still going to fold this place down so I can get it from the waist. And the formula for getting crouch is hips divided by 4. So that hips is 34. This is 34. So I'm simply going to fold my tape into 4 to get the measurement, or you could use a calculator to divide it. We have 8.5. So I'll simply fold here down like this and take the measurement from there. 8.5. Here is 8.5. So because this is a boxer short, I'm going to add 1 inch for ease. I'll repeat it here. That's 9.5, right? 9.5. So I'll connect the lines together. So this is my crouch depth. Now I'm going to take the measurement of my hip. Remember, the circumference, the waist hip circumference is 34 divided by 4. I have 8.5, so I'm going to mark that 8.5 on this crouch depth and on the waist as well. So I have 8.5 plus 1 inch side seam. I have 9.5. Then I will repeat that same measurement here, 9.5. So connect the lines together. Make sure it extends up to where the band is. Then on this very crouch line, I'll get my crouch extension. Let me use 1.5 because the small boy. Then I will also mark 1.5 on this vertical line as well. Then connect my crouch curve here like so. Then after this, here now is where I'm going to get my lap circumference. Know that the lap is divided by 2. So 21 divided by 2, I have 10.5. That's 10.5 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. I have 11.5. So I'll simply connect it to this very point here like so. This is it, as simple as ABC. Know that this short is simply going to have center seam. The sides I'm not going to cut, we'll just leave it like this. You can see it is folded, so I'm simply going to cut it out, and I'll simply open up this top. Remember, we folded it into 4 like so. So I'll open these 2 parts up like this. So from here, so by 1 inch down, then when I get here I take 1/2 inch, then repeat the same thing here. 1 inch, when I get here I reduce by 1/2. Then I'm gonna join these 2 parts together like this. That's the crouch extension. I'll join it like this, then I'll stitch across like this by 1/2 inch. Thereafter I will place my bias on this part here, the right side of the fabric, then stitch it round, then turn it. You can see it. I finish it with the bias, then I've also stitched across this place. So what I need to do now is to put the elastic. Now in order to get the measurement of this elastic, I'm going to take the waist of that child and remove 6 inches from it. The waist is 29, so from that 29 I'm going to count out 6 like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then I'll cut it out. Thereafter I'll place it on top of each other and stitch this place severally so it can be firm. You can see that line there, that is the 4 inches I removed earlier on. So I'll simply fold it down like this, then take little again inside so it can be neat. Meanwhile, I'll put the elastic inside while I stitch. You can see it, I'm done with it. It's very neat. This place now, I'm simply going to top stitch it so that it will be very neat. Here is it. You can see the top stitching. Can you see this second line there? That's the top stitching. So both inside and outside are very neat. Our boxer is ready. You can see it's very simple to make at the comfort of your home. If you have learned something new today, kindly subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.